morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I am here for my midweek haul for you guys. So listen, I'm excited because your girl is about to get her 40 bucks. I'm about to get my $40, and if my recollection serves me well, then every haul this month has been a moneymaker. So this is just extra money for your girl. And so I'm super stoked about it. I think I need like 5 or 6 offers. And then it's gonna unlock the Hawaiian bread and the veggies. And so yeah, I'm excited. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. Make sure your post notifications are on by ringing the notification bell to miss a video as well. And so with that being said, y'all, listen, this is gonna be easy. Like, I don't even like, I feel like I could do this like with my hands tied behind my back, like eyes closed. Like, this is gonna be easy. I could do this in the dark. So I'm excited about that. I did want to mention Flavor Wiki because they did have some new offers. I've been trying to post when they have new surveys up for you guys, but at the same time, it's like, you gotta be quick. Like, you gotta be quicker than that. You gotta be quicker than last time. Like that commercial, you gotta be faster than that. You really do, because the offers go really, really fast. And even if you don't think you're gonna do it, at least do the pre-qualification survey, right? And so I posted on my community tab yesterday morning because we got one for fruit snacks and we got one for mac and cheese. We got the same ones, or at least I got the same ones this morning that popped up. So like a complete duplicates. And was like, should I do them again? Well, damn, it's making me money. Like, why wouldn't I want to do it again, right? Now, whether or not you have to buy in the next, blah, blah, blah. Whether or not you got to buy another set, honestly do not know. Like, I low-key want to reach out to customer support and ask them, like, when this happens and we get duplicate sets, do we have to technically buy it again? I feel like we do have to buy it again, but I do feel like I did it once where I didn't buy it again and it still went through. But I feel like at the end of the day, it's a moneymaker regardless. So if you have to buy it again, just buy it again, right? So I'll be doing the fruit snacks twice as well as the mac and cheese twice. This survey situation right now is a little different. Like, you got to download an app, you got to answer some questions, some little test game thing. So I feel like, I feel like they're making us do more and more, but it's still a moneymaker. It's simple. I downloaded the app, and once I'm done, I delete it. It's not that serious. I do have a few deals at Sprouts that we're going to share as well. So without further ado, we're going to head over to Walmart first, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, guys. So the first I would say 4 deals are going to be Flavor Wiki deals. I did post on my community tab. I'm trying to get in the habit of posting as soon as I see them on my account, so that you guys can check yours. Obviously, the earlier you check, the better. And so this is the mac and cheese surveys. There's 2 items you have to buy. The first one is the Annie's shells and white cheddar. It's priced at $162. Now, the Flavor Wiki survey, there's 2. There's one for shopping and there's one for tasting it. And so it's a total of $8.50, making that a $6.88. The other item that you have to buy is the Goodles. Remember when I first saw these and I thought it was Goodless? How many of you, I was like, no, Shay, it's Goodles. Like, it's good olds. Like, what would be the point of Goodless? Like, Goodless is bad. And so we're going to grab the Shelly Good, price at $3.28. Now, for that one, you're getting back the same amount on Flavor Wiki. So it'll make, oh, plus we have 25 cents on Ibotta that just popped up as well. Don't you love when it happens? Making us a $5.47 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad for 2 boxes. So the next thing we're going to grab is the fruit snacks that we need for Flavor Wiki. There's 2 different ones. You got to grab the Black Forest, the Juicy Burst mixed fruit one. Specifically that one, they only have the 40 count in my store. They're priced at $9.48. Now, I would come in store if you know, because I checked online and literally it said they don't sell them at all at any of my stores. I happened to check when I grabbed the mac and cheese yesterday, and I saw it. All right, so it's priced at $9.48. Now for this, there is a combination of surveys. One is a test and one is a in-store. You're gonna get back a total of $9, making it only 48 cents. I think what I'm gonna do is send these to school with Josiah. And then the other item you have to grab is the Gushers down here. Now, originally I was like, oh my gosh, they don't have the one that I need, which is just the tropical one. And online didn't say they had him. And luckily I looked back there because as you can see, they do have them. So you want to grab the tropical flavor one. They're priced at $2.97. And same thing, you're getting a total of $9 from Flavor Wiki, making this a $6.03 moneymaker. Now, really quick, one of you guys asked me, can you grab it at Dollar Tree? Because I know they have a 3-count. I think they also have it at like Rite Aid or something like that. Walgreens might even have it for $1. And so I grabbed one and it actually worked. So if you grab it here, this is $6.03 moneymaker. If you grab it at Dollar Tree, it's a $7.75 moneymaker. And I did both. And so definitely it's not a bad deal either or. So let's go ahead and announce the winners. There's so many of you guys that wanted Tide coupons. I was in belief, or well, in disbelief at how many of you guys did want them. So I went ahead and chose a total of 6 of you guys. So email me at savingwithshay@outlook.com and I will get those mailed to you as soon as possible. All right, guys. So we got this. Whenever you see me over here, just know we only gonna be getting one little funky little thing. This Airwick Advance. That's what Ibotta wants to give us every couple weeks. They want to give us a free one. So most of us will take it, but I don't know. At one point I feel like I'm gonna have to stop taking it because it's like, what the hell I'm gonna do with a gazillion warmers? I ain't got no freaking oils, but I got a gazillion and 17 freaking warmers with no flipping oils. And so we're gonna grab one at $3.98, getting back $4 on Ibotta. Also gonna grab another one for Walmart Rewards as well, making them both free. And of course, we're going to grab some of these Glade air fresheners. They are priced at, they have some for $2.28 and $2.38. So if you grab one at $2.38, you'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta, making it 88 cents with a limit of 5. You know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and just max this deal out. And so, yeah, so next up is the Palmolive. Like, when are we never going to need dish soap? Like, there's always dishes. So listen, I'm gonna grab this deal again. So we're gonna grab the 20-ounce, priced at $2.82. We'll be getting back $1 on Ibotta, and we'll be getting back 300 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.20, bringing it down to 62 cents. Now there are different offers on Shopkick. One is for the green, one is for the blue. We're gonna go and grab one of each, one for Ibotta, one for Walmart Rewards, making this a pretty awesome deal. All right, there's also a pretty decent deal on the 7th generation dish soap if that's your preference as well. It's priced at $3.72, getting back a total of 635 buy and scanned kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.54, bringing that down to $1.18 with a limit of 3, which is definitely not a bad deal. I didn't plan on doing this deal, but honestly, I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab it because I'm pretty sure I can sell these. And so, yeah. All right, guys. So this deal here is on the Arm & Hammer Complete. Miss Danielle reminded us that this deal popped back up. I still have some of these Phillies. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this deal or not yet, though. But they are priced at $3.98. Use the Pilly. That'll bring that total down to you paying $2.48, getting back $2 on Ibotta makes that only 48 cents, limit of 3. So next up is a soft soap. I went ahead and did this deal again. This is the refill bottle. It's the 50-ounce, price of $5.97. So you're gonna grab one of them, getting back $1.75 on Ibotta, and then also getting back 600 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.40, makes it $1.82. I went ahead and grabbed two, one for Walmart Rewards and one for Ibotta. All right, so this next deal is on the Kinder Med. They are priced at, where are they at? Are they right here? You know what? I grabbed this deal yesterday and, oh, here they go up here. They are priced at $5.97 and roll back. So for this, you want to go ahead and grab 2 of them. You'll pay $11.94, getting back $3 from Ibotta, 680 points on my points, which is 425, and there's a free aisles offer, buy one get one free, so you get back $5.97, making them both free plus $1.28 moneymaker. All right, guys. So the last thing that we're grabbing is the Motrin. It is the 24 count, priced at $4.22. I'm getting back $2 on Ibotta and $2.50 on Fetch, making that a 28-cent moneymaker. All right, so the first thing I'm grabbing is the rotten gummy worms. These bags are extremely tiny. Like, I thought it was gonna be a much bigger bag, like at least this big or maybe that big down there. These are small, so they're priced at $3.50 each, basically, right? And you're gonna get that back through aisles. I'll have a link for you. This one is specifically for Sprouts. I did have one before that was any store, but this one is just for Sprouts. I'm making this absolutely free. So this next deal is on the Veggie Craft pasta. It's priced at $3.79. You're gonna get that back through aisles. I'll have a link in the Google Doc, making this absolutely free. I was also looking for the skinny pasta. I don't see it over here. I don't know if they carry it here. I don't see it though. I'm gonna check a different area and see if I can find it, but it's another free item through aisles as well. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Good Planet mozzarella cheese. It's olive oil cheese shreds. They're priced at $7.99. So you're going to grab one, you'll get that back via aisles, making this absolutely free. It's funny, I was just reading the reviews because sometimes I'll read the reviews on certain things, and the first one said like, never ever try this again. like yeah. So I don't know, but it's free. We'll try it. And so, yeah. Right, the last thing I was looking for was the Rival Shine wine. I got this in one of my last videos from Target, but now I have a free offer for Sprouts, and I don't see it. It's an aluminum can, but I don't see it. It is a freebie on aisles, so I'll have a link for you in the Google Doc. All right, guys, this is our final breakdown for this haul. This worked out so amazing. Like, I know I didn't have to go all out like this. Like, for my bonus, all I needed was, I think 4 offers. I did not get a midweek, which I don't know. I don't think I really low-key expected to get one, considering I had the big one I was about to hit. And so Ibotta was just like, girl, we know you don't need this extra dollar we was going to give you anyway. So yeah, okay, Ibotta. I got your dollar. I got your dollar. And so this worked out really good though. So for this, I did the Flavor Wiki deals a total of 3 times. So I got Joseph signed up on an account. He has an account. Okay, I think I did his a month ago. But he started getting surveys pretty fast. But I don't always do them on his account because it's hard enough doing one account with Flavor Wiki, and they've been doing a whole lot. Hi, Flavor Wiki, how you doing, boo? But they've been doing a lot, and I get it. They're trying to figure things out, but there's still awesome deals to be made with it. And so this was a great deal with the fruit snacks and the mac and cheese that I thought, let me just go ahead and do it on his account as well. All right, but for him, he had 2 sets of the fruit snacks and 1 set of the mac and cheese. That's just because I didn't do it on his account fast enough. And so for his, I just grabbed 1 set of the fruit snacks and 1 set of the mac and cheese. So I'm going to submit his on his account, and I'll let you know how that works out. As far as my account, I went ahead and I bought for both sets. So I did 1 set yesterday. It already says earned for everything. Now with the mac and cheese, for this, they want you to cook it and everything. So I had to cook it all. I had to show pictures of the mac and cheese after it's made. And so just be aware of that. I have to tape I have to tape 2 of those boxes closed. I haven't did the rest of the surveys yet. I'll do those probably today or tomorrow. But that's cool. Now with the Gushers, I did try the Dollar Tree one and for my account yesterday, and it did work. All right. But when I was there today doing the second set for my account, I was like, it wasn't worth me going all the way to Dollar Tree just for that 1 item. All right, that's all I would have been getting from there. And so to save or make an extra $1.75 to me wasn't really worth it. But again, it did work for me. All right. Other than that, as far as aisles offers, I have been paid for the rotten worms, for the Veggie Craft already. And for the the Kinder Med. So this offer here for aisles, it said that I redeemed it already, and I haven't did this deal already. So I had to reach out to customer support. I'm not sure how it's gonna work out. If I get back the $5.97, that will be flipping amazing. If not, then I'll just return one because I did get credit on Ibotta. I mean, I feel like me not getting back the cost of one is equivalent to me just taking one back without the receipt, which is what I will probably do if I don't get credit for it. The mozzarella cheese on WeStock, that one is still processing. And what else? My receipts on Shopkick, I have 2 receipts that are still pending. And what else? Walmart Rewards. We did Walmart Rewards for the Airwick, the Soft Soap Palmolive, and the Goodles. Now this time around, when I did my Walmart Reward transaction, which I did that one first, I forgot to activate the offer for the Goodles. So what I did is I went ahead and checked out. It said, okay, you've earned $6.75. I was like, cool. And then I went to the app. I activated the offer, then added the receipt to the app, and it automatically refreshed and said I got back $7. So that worked out really good. And then the only reason why you see 2 of the same soft soap was because I did one yesterday and one today. Otherwise, I would have gotten one of each, but they didn't have the pumpkin one, and so those are my only 2 choices. So I was happy that it did reset for me today. So everything you see here reaches $130.17. My sales tax for this was $5.89. And then getting back a total of $105 from Flavor Wiki. My Ibotta is $59.60. I did hit the large bonus. Shopkick is $14.70. Aisles is $13.26. WeStock is $7.99. Walmart Rewards is $7. My points $4.25. And last but not least was 50 cents from Fetch. I had a 50-cent offer for the Gushers, which is cool because I didn't expect that. So getting back $212.21 in rebates makes this an $82.04 moneymaker, you guys. This is so freaking awesome. Like, I think that this whole month thus far, I'm going to pop up. I'm going to add up all the money I've made this month. And I'm going to add up all the retail. And I'm going to let you guys know. I'm going to pop it up. This was a crazy month. This has been a crazy month. It's not even over yet. I think we still got what? I still probably got what? 2 more hauls to do this month. And so really awesome. Other than that, if you make it to the end, I appreciate you guys watching. I want to see, because Josiah's at school still. I want to see a palm tree emoji or a coconut. If you don't have either, I want to see a star. All right. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.